In this video, I have explained the differences between DBMS and RDBMS. That is the differences between database management system and relational database management system. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. DBMS, Database Management System, is a set of computer programs that controls the creation, maintenance, and use of a database in a computer platform for an organization as well as for the end users. Database management system is a set of programs that will be controlling the creation, maintenance, and use of a database in a computer platform for an organization as well as for the end users. In other words, a DBMS is nothing but a DBMS is a complex piece of an software. A DBMS is a complex piece of an software which has been designed to be used by different people. DBMS is a complex piece of an software which has been designed to be used by different people, and here the DBMS, that is the database management system, whatever is there, it has been designed so that the interrelated data can be stored together with controlled redundancy in order to perform or solve one or more applications in an optimal fashion. Right, it is a program or it is an software which has been written which enables the user for performing, storing, modifying and extracting the information from a database. It is a program which supports for the purpose of creating, using, updating or modifying the data which has been present in a database. The DBMS is a system software package that helps the use of integrated collection of data records and files known as a database. So whatever has been present in a DBMS, that is called as the records or the files which have been present in an DBMS is called as data, and it is the collection, the whole collection of data is called as a database. It allows different user application programs to easily access the same database. That means more than one user can access the database concurrently. Examples of DBMS softwares are Perl, Python, IMS. IMS in the sense Information Management System. RDBMS. RDBMS is nothing but a relational database management system. This is also a database management system, but here it is based upon relational model. Then what is an DBMS? DBMS is a database management system. It can be based on any model other than the relational. If it is based on relational, then it is called as an RDBMS. What are the other kinds of relational models that you have learned in data models? Those are network, hierarchical, object relational data models. Right. So other than the relational model, we can consider them as a database management system, but which is based upon relational model, it is called as a relational database management system. RDBMS is an DBMS which will be storing a data, and those stored data will be in the form of tables, and the relationship among the data is also stored in the form of tables. While storing the data in case of a relational database management system, we will be storing all the data in the form of a table, and even the relationship between the tables will also be stored in the form of a table. Here, for example, we consider the teacher table and the student table. Here, teacher table is nothing but it will be having the details regarding the teacher who will be teaching, and the student table will be consisting the data with respect to the students. Here The student table can be related to a teacher table by a relation called teach by. Teach by or a teaches by. That means teacher table is related to the student table by a relation that student can teach by teacher. That means a teacher will be teaching a student, which teacher will be teaching which students. That information will be obtained by using an relation, and that relation is called as an teachers by. Here the student and teacher are the tables, and even the teachers by, it is also an relation, and it can also be stored in the form of a table. Let us look the differences between DBMS and RDBMS. The main difference between DBMS and RDBMS is we can establish the relationship between the tables in case of an relational DBMS, whereas in case of an DBMS we cannot establish the relation between the tables. In case of an RDBMS, that is a relational database management system, we'll be able to establish the relationship between the tables, whereas in case of a DBMS we cannot establish the relationship between the tables. Another difference between RDBMS and DBMS is that the RDBMS follows relational data model, whereas DBMS can follow any of the data models. It can follow network data model, it can follow hierarchical data model, or any of the other kinds of an data model. Whereas the RDBMS will be following an relational data model. DBMS can follow any data model other than the relational data model. The relational data model is based on the set theory. Its accuracy and usefulness has a basis in the mathematics. We know about an set theory. In an set theory, first thing is the set. The set is nothing but it is a collection of elements without repetition. The same thing has been considered in an relational model, and whatever the operations which we can perform in the RDBMS will have the same impact which we perform on a set operations. In relational database management system, if you open the database, then you are able to access all the tables which are present in the database. Whereas in case of an database management system, if you want to open any table, you need to open it separately whenever we want to use. In case of an RDBMS, if you open the database, the whole tables can be accessed, whereas in case of an DBMS, each time you need to open the table which we want to access. Then the next difference, the RDBMS allows the data to be queried based on any column in any table, or need not to create an index or keys in order to query an data. That means while using or writing the queries based upon the relational database management system, you can write the queries based upon the columns which are present in a table. For that purpose, you are not required to create any of the indexes or any of the keys to query a data. You can write an query based upon any of the column which is present in a table of an relational database management system. So the relational database management system, whatever is there, in that one the data is easier to query than considering the hierarchical database management system or Codesol or some other kinds of an data models or an DBMS. That means accessing of an data is easier in case of an relational database management system when compared to other kind of database management systems. In case of an DBMS, that is a database management system, normalization process will not be present. Whereas in case of a relational database management system, the normalization process will be present, and it is used to check the database table is consistent. To achieve the consistency and to make the redundancy of tuples to be eliminated, we follow the normalization process in case of a relational database management system, whereas the normalization process is not there in case of a database management system. The next difference, in database management system there is no concept of primary key and foreign key, whereas it is present in case of a relational database management system. With the help of this primary and foreign key, we can achieve the normalization process, and we can achieve the elimination of redundant data, and the data is present and it is consistent in all the tables, and there will be no any loss of an data or any damages will be created if we use the primary key and the foreign key, right? Whereas in case of an database management system there is no concept of primary key and foreign key. There you need to use an key or an indexes, whereas in case of an RDBMS we'll be using a primary key or a foreign key, both we'll be using. RDBMS contains only a flat data, whereas in case of an RDBMS there will be some relationship between the entities. DBMS will be containing only a flat data, whereas in case of an RDBMS there will be some relation between the entities. That means whatever the data has been present in a relational database management system, there will be some relationship between those entities, whereas in case of a data there will not be any relationship, just it is a collection of a data. This is the video regarding the differences between DBMS and RDBMS. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.